Let's see what's going on here. That's water coming from somewhere. Doesn't sound like the inducer. Is it the inducer that's on? What the hell? There's sand. We're in West Virginia. Why is there sand in there? Okay, so that was a horrible idea. Whoever decided to do that. Still not sure where the sand's coming from. So let's see. Before I grab my manometer, let's see if we're getting any. Okay, voltage there, nothing there. So we need to see where that wire goes to. Follow this wire down. Whatever to here. It's going to our gas valve. So that went to the gas valve. I need to check the gas valve. So I'm confused as why I haven't got a code yet. See, no errors. 2.1 and 11. seemed failed to establish frame. And the leg when placed with the gas valve and energizing should be. Here's we have the gas problem. We're getting 24 volts to the gas valve. But it's not opening. So, of course the union's right there. We can't get to the damn thing. There's no way to get to that. So we are going to check this triple leg. Make sure we have gas. Gas. Alright, so this looks kind of cruddy. I'm gonna try to pull this off of here to look at these orifices, but I think we're just in a gas valve. Alright, we're back at this one. Probably been 3 days. That's how long it took me to get the gas valve. So get the gas valve changed out. The only problem is right here. I have like zero room to get in there, so we're going to see how this goes. Just they have somebody coming to look at the roof because it's leaking, and that's not sand. That's I thought it was sand. It's pieces of the shingles. So this is just a little over a year old, and there's already all this rust on it. But let me get started. Alright, so I made as much room as I could for me to move around this closet, turn the gas valve off, and we are going to try our best to get this thing to open up here. Turn it the right way. I'm not gonna lie, I would have put the union in the cabinet, even if you're not supposed to. It's obviously not that big of a deal because the ring tells you to do it. Now I gotta get this piece off somehow, some way. This thing is, it's getting my damn nerves. I use that stupid blue monster dope. It's gonna get stuck in there. It's gonna fucking leak. Jeez. Not necessary at all. Look, guys, you do not have to crank down the gas pipe that hard. Trust me. You do more damage than good. When you look how deep it was in there. No, not necessary. Do something different here. All right. Good Lord. Okay. Let's try this. Jeez Louise. Apparently the guys at Trane need to learn too. To be tightened down that fucking tight. I don't like pushing on the manifold, but I know I'm not that damn weak. I wanna play fucking games. We can play games. You're gonna come off there. You gotta be fucking shitting me. They don't give you anything to hold on to right there. Where you need to be. You shit. Hopefully that's loose enough now I can fucking move the goddamn thing. Unnecessarily harder than it needed to be. Way, way harder than it needed to be. And I messed up my mark that I put there for a fucking reason. Tore that all to hell. Okay. Sorry for the language. A little aggravating. Everybody thinks you gotta tighten the gas line so it won't ever move again. It's not the case. There's only maybe 2 psi running through it, so you can snug it up and be fine. 9 times out of 10, if there's a leak, something wrong with the threads. Got that back in there. Clean that up a little bit. Pull that out. Dope it up. What sucks is I got this 90 on the other end here that I have to get back in the same spot. So, because I can't get back there to change it, if need be. So that's made my life a little harder. Right about there. Okay. Damn it. Shove as much shit in the closet as we can. Just to make it hard for everybody. shouldn't be this complicated. Change the gas valve. But I knew how my day was going to go as soon as I got to work this morning, and he told me one of the jobs I have. So, should have been a sign right off the bat. Jesus. About to really start getting pissed off here in a second. Fucking shitting me. My 90's not well enough with that, so I gotta tighten this more than it needs to be tightened. You guys can see anything that's going on because there's no fucking room. This is what I'm working with. And not only is this right here, this is right here. Plug this in, turn this on. And now, oh, awesome. Well, we're going to hope the gas pressure is right on this one because that's where my board is. Ain't no way in hell that's getting any tighter without me taking all this back apart. So, voila, done. Turn the gas back on. Plug this thing back in. That on, and we'll jump it out. Alright, we're gonna go R W. Funny thing is, I aligned my gas out exactly how it was before. So don't know what it is. There's the igniter. Gas valve needs to be on. And we're lit. Hopefully get the roof fixed before it ruins it again.